Welcome back to SantosCustom, folks. Thanks for tuning in. On today's episode, we'll be working on the GTI. Time attack season has started. We need to reinforce the frame, so let's build a front on the strut towers. Let's get to it. What? Working on the front brace, strut tower. So initially mark up this side, and then we did the other side. And then here we'll do two hooks we'll use, and then we'll put the bar in the middle. So keep designing. Here we go. So we created for both sides, and then we traced it on the sheet 3/16 thick, and then we're just gonna center punch, then make the hole, and then cut them up on the bend saw. Keep you posted. Plates are getting done. Still need to sand them, make them look good, but they're going around everything properly. And I will start making the brackets around over here, so we can have a straight through angle and adjust it from here. So we'll see. Keep you guys. There we go. So we start working on this. So the first bend is kind of done. We tack welded in place, and now we're just working on the rear piece. Make sure it lines up properly so we have a good spot to weld it in place, and we'll call it one side done, and then we'll move on to the other side. Here we go, folks. It's getting there. This is how we bend. The Volkswagen touch. That's bending. Just a close-up look. So we're getting there. Just tacking. We'll call it long tack. For this side, pretty neat. It's gonna go straight through. So now we're just working on the reverse piece. There we go. So the reverse piece, we've bent it now. It's in place, looking damn good. We have nice place where we'll be able to weld, make good contact throughout. So that'll be it. So now next phase is to work, tack this in place, and then we'll look on maybe here filling this up with another piece of metal, maybe giving a small angle. We'll see. Everything fits properly. It looks really good, guys. So anyways, keep you posted on the progress. Both brackets done. Let's mark them up, bend them up, tack them in place. There it goes. It's tacked. Everything is clean. Both sides are tacked. So now we should be able to remove it, fully weld it, prime it, paint it, and put it back in place. That looks good. We put the covers back in place. You don't see anything. I love it. Here it goes, guys. Final product. Everything has been welded, grinded, painted. Everything looks really good. So I guess it's time to put it back in the car, tighten it up, add some strength, and see what it does. Let's work on that. Just a quick tip, guys. When you remove your studs, usually you have some bolts like that are in the hole. Don't remove them all. If you have coilovers, then be my guest, because coilovers, most of them, the studs come out of it, and you don't have to screw in bolts. So if you do have bolts and you still have the OEM stuck, just when you remove them, put something in the middle, so that like that you avoid your shock shifting and having to fetch and jack your shaft, your car, sorry about that, to realign the studs. So just a quick tip: never remove them all. Make sure you have something in the hole to keep it from moving, even though that if the car is not moving, it shouldn't move, but never take anything granted in life. So quick tip. fits so pretty. It's almost a shame putting like the cover back on top, you know?
Hide it, it's better.
Tighten the last adjustment bolts. There we go.
She's so pretty.
So here it goes, folks, final product. As you guys can see, everything painted, everything's welded, everything looks pretty neat. The bar is there. So it gives a lot of tension. We bounded the front strut, so now that should make a tremendous change on track. So I'll keep you guys posted. Cover back in place, and kind of disappointed. You don't see nothing no more. So folks, hope you guys liked it, today's episode. I know it's something different. We're not building a buggy or a trike or something funky. We got to get season. This weekend is time attack around 5. Part of the CSCS, and it's gonna be the first time that it's gonna be at Calabogie Motorsports in Ontario. So I'll be there all weekend long. So we built the front brace, which is there. Tomorrow we're putting on the Kirky back seat that you guys see in the background. I also started to build front splitter out of aluplast, which is 2 sheets of aluminum filled with plastic in between, so it's sturdy. So that will be it for next video. Hope you guys like it. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and see you on the next episode. See ya!